pleasure to welcome you all to the launch of safety project Sona Khayal at Sona Tower, Lahore.
One thing I'm very clear, and I've now been in this company for a while now, that once FFC decides that we want to go, we take it to next level.
By showing the whole leadership of FFC Commercial Group standing in front of you. They've come all the way from all parts of the country and they are here to implement this program. And I tell you, our target is level 5.